Hi, this is Ken with Village Green, and this plant is called Heuchera. This one it's a purple color. It'll have a lot of times it'll have a white bloom. It's a little bit these blooms are spent, but while it does have the blooms, mostly we're using this for the color that it has in the leaf. As I said, this one is purple. You can get it in other colors. It needs to be in the shade. It is mostly an evergreen. If we have a real cold weather or real cold winter, it may die back to the ground, but it will come back. It survived the heavy freeze that we had a while ago. We like to use this to add color and texture in front of other plants. So this is a good front layer, and we'll plant some other medium-sized plants back behind it. So it's a great plant to use. Just another plant to put in your plant palette. This is Ken with Village Green. If you like these videos, please subscribe to our YouTube channel and also subscribe to our quick tip emails. Village Green, your neighborhood landscape company.